Very good morning to all of you, dear student. You're the most welcome in DSS online English class. Myself Dharmendra sir, your English teacher, and now I am going to explain the next paragraph of your chapter, My Childhood. Student, you got the information about the chapter that it is not a chapter, it is a autobiography of our great scientist, a statesman, and a great personality, as well as the president, 16th president, 13th president of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam expressed here about his experience and about some stories of his childhood. That what were his childhood and what he used to do in his childhood. So, student, let's know the further what happened in his childhood. Paragraph number 4. Every child is born with some inherited characteristics. That means here APJ Abdul Kalam want to express that every child has some peculiar quality and he has his own capability or special characteristics by which he makes his name. He make a peculiar place in the society. So he has also a peculiar quality into a specific socio-economics and emotional environment, and this peculiar quality got by his specific socio-economics and emotional environment. He trained in a certain ways by figures of authority, and he trained in different ways. And what was the training? Let's we know the further. I inherited honesty and self-discipline from my father. That means here APJ Abdul Kalam want to express that the honesty and self-discipline he had got from his father's side, and from the mother I inherited faith in goodness and the deep kindness, and so did my three brothers and sister. That means, and from his mother's side he got the faith in goodness, the deep kindness, like his three brothers and sisters. That means, student, here the good thing is expressed by him, that we got something from our father sides and something from our mother side. That means we have some quality. Like it may be that we have some quality according to according to our father and according to our mother. So he got he got the honesty from his father's sides and faith in goodness and deep kindness from his mother's side, like his brother and sister. I had three close friends in my childhood. Further, he want to express a story about his childhood, that he had a childhood friend, Ramananda Sastri, the close friend in my childhood, Ramanand Sastri, Arvindan and Shiv Prakashan. All these boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin family. That means he had three friends, Ramanand Sastri, Arvindan and Shiv Prakashan. And these three were belongs to a Orthodox Brahmin family. Student, here Orthodox. Orthodox means the person who has rigid faith in their creed or religion. Orthodox means अगर एक पर्सन अपने धर्म पर बिल्कुल अडिग रहता है, अपने धर्म के अगेंस्ट वो बिल्कुल नहीं जाता, चाहे उसका धर्म उससे गलत कराए या सही कराए, तो इस तरह के पर्सन्स और पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी वो उस धर्म को निभाता जाता है, ऐसे पर्सन्स को हम ऑर्थोडॉक्स कहते हैं. तो इनके तीनों फ्रेंड जो थे वो ऑर्थोडॉक्स ब्राह्मण फैमिली से बिलोंग्स करते थे. एज चिल्ड्रन नन ऑफ अस एवर फेल्ट एनी डिफरेंट अमंगस्ट आवर सेल्फ बिकॉज of our religious differences and upbringing. That means when he was child, he didn't get any differences amongst the friends, because in the in that age there was not any religious boundaries and the upbringing according to religious. That means उस समय जो इन लोगों की परवरिश होती थी वो धर्म के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होती थी और छोटे बच्चे धर्म को लेकर इतने ऑर्थोडॉक्स नहीं होते हैं. सो जो एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम है, ही डिडंट know about what is the means of religions and what is the discrimination according to religions. That's why his childhood was a very innocent. उनका बचपन बहुत ही मासूमियत से भरा हुआ था. In fact, Ramananda Shastri was the son of a Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri. That means Ramananda Shastri was the son of a Pakshi. Ramananda Shastri was Shastri, the highest priest of the Rameshwaram temple. And Pakshi Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri was the highest priest of the temple. That means there was a old temple in Rameshwaram, and the Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri was the highest priest of that temple. Later he took over the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple from his father, and it is obvious that the son inherited the business of his father. So the business of that temple is about to go to directly Ramanand Shastri. Arvindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims, and Arvindan got into the business of a transport who provided the cars and other vehicles for visiting pilgrims. Pilgrims, that means जो धार्मिक स्थलों को घूमने जाते हैं, धर्म तीर्थयात्री जिनको कहते हैं, उनको हम pilgrims बोला जाता है. And Shiv Prakashan become a catering contractor for the Southern Railway, and Shiv Prakashan become a catering contractor in Southern Railway. That means you can say that all his three friends were got into his own business. Like Arvindan become a priest of the temple. Ramakrishnan become the priest of the temple. Arvindan got into the business of a transport, and Shiv Prakashan in catering business in railway. So they have a secure career. During the annual Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony, our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols and the Lord from the temple to the marriage site. That means he want to express his own business, that during the Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony, his family used to carry idols and the pilgrimage to the marriage site. मीन्स जब वहाँ पर रामेश्वरम में एक बहुत ही फेमस उत्सव हुआ करता था राम सीता कल्याणम का, और उस समय बहुत सारे लोग एक जगह मतलब उस सेरेमनी को देखने जाते थे. तो जो लोग सेरेमनी देखने जाते थे उनके लिए ये आइडल्स और अदर चीज़ सप्लाई करते थे, उनको लाने और ले जाने का काम करते थे. सिचुएटेड इन द मिडल ऑफ अ पॉन्ड कॉल्ड राम तीर्थ विच वॉज नियर आवर हाउस. और ये जो साइट होता था वो इनके घर के पास एक पॉन्ड के बीच में था. दैट्स वाई द पर्सन नीड्स डेफिनेटली द पर्सन हैड टू रिक्वायर्ड boats, and they are that means his family used to provide them boat, and by the exchange of this definitely he will have get some amount of money, and that was his business. Even from Ramayana and from the life of the prophet were the bedtime stories from the life of my mother and grandmother would tell the children in our family. That means whenever when we got into the bed in the night, my mother used to tell us the story of Ramayana, and grandmother also used to tell us some stories of prophets, Ramayana, etc. That means you can say that our childhood was very secure and religious. That means we always hear, we always listen the things that is पीयूष, दैट मीन्स प्योर, जो मीन्स बिल्कुल पवित्र था, जो प्योर था, उन चीज़ों को हम लोग सुना करते थे. इवन स्टूडेंट, वन थिंग you have to notice that he was a Muslim, but he used to learn the story of Ramayana, and his family also used to tell us the story of Ramayana. It shows that how broad minded he was, how his family was, उनकी फैमिली कैसी थी, वो कैसे थे, ये चीज़ दिखाता है. That means they were not a very orthodoxial Muslim. They were a sincere citizen. That according to him, or in the sight of him or them, the all religions is equal, and there is not a single righthood on the any creed or religion of any person or a special group of class of group. It means किसी क्लास का एक पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स पे उनका अपना ही अधिकार नहीं है. दैट मीन्स you have a right to adopt, to express, to devote his all the devotion to the religions. One day when I was in 5th standard, now student, in the 6th paragraph, he want to express about the story, and the story was his class time. That means one day when I was in the 5th standard, APJ Abdul Kalam says that when he was studying in 5th standard at the Rameshwaram Elementary School, a new teacher came to our class. I used to wear a cap in which marked me as a Muslim, and he was a Muslim, and that obvious some special dress used to wear the Muslims. So he used to wear a cap, white cap. This is the sign of Muslim. So this dress or this cap, APJ Abdul Kalam also used to wear. I used to cap Muslim, and I always sat in the front row next to Ramanand Sastri, and he always sit the front row just next to the Ramanand Sastri. And Ramanand Sastri, he belongs to a orthodox Brahmin family who wore the sacred threads, and Ramanand Sastri wore the sacred threads. Sacred threads means, that means आप जनेऊ वगैरह कह सकते हैं कि रामानंद शास्त्री जनेऊ पहनते थे. The new teacher couldn't stomach a Hindu priest son sitting with a Muslim boy, and when the new teachers saw that a Muslim boy just sitting beside a Hindu Brahmin boy, it is just unbearable for him. It was not easy thing that he gobbled up. That means ये उनको बहुत ही बुरा लगा. वो ये चीज़ पचा ही नहीं पाए कि एक मुस्लिम लड़का एक हिंदू लड़के के पास कैसे बैठ सकता है. In accordance with our social ranking as the new teacher shied, and our new teacher began to show me as the accordance of a social hierarchy. The student, society has a hierarchy. Hierarchy, that means the society made a class group. That which class is the high, which class have a has a highest position, and what comes after first, what comes after second, what comes after third, and what comes after fourth. That means हमारा जो कम्युनिटी है, इसने क्या किया, इसने एक हायरार्की बना रखा है कि इस हायरार्की में एक स्पेशल क्लास जो फर्स्ट रैंक को होल्ड करता है, एक दूसरा क्लास जो उससे थोड़ा सा कम स्पेशल है वो सेकंड को, थर्ड, फोर्थ, ऐसे हमने क्लास बना रखा. और क्लासेस जो 4 ग्रुप्स में बांटे गए हैं. एंड आई थिंक यू हैव ऑल्सो नोन अबाउट दिस इन SST. I was asked to go and sit on the back bench. So my teacher said to me to go and sit on the back bench. I felt very sad, and so did Ramanand Sastri. And after hearing this, I felt very sad, and so did Ramanand Sastri. That means these things felt a very sad thing to me, and Ramanand Sastri also felt a very sad thing because he never expected that the teacher will do that. He looked utterly downcast as I shifted to my seat in the last row, and began to when I got into the last seat of the classroom, Ramanand Sastri also began to feel very sad. The image of the weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression on me, and when I went to the last row, I felt a very deep weeping sense, or you can say student that his heart become very shrink. उनका जो हार्ट था वो बिल्कुल बैठ गया और वो एकदम अपने आप को मतलब रोना सा महसूस करने लगे, उनको एक डाउन कास्ट महसूस होने लगा. ही comes to know the first time that what is the class system in the society. सोसाइटी में क्लास सिस्टम क्या है वो पहली बार समझ पाए थे और इसलिए वो और ज़्यादा दुखी होते चले गए. After school, we went home and told our respective parents about the incident. When the class is over, Ramanand Sastri and APJ Abdul Kalam went to their respective parents and said about the entire incident, that what happened in the classroom. Lakshmana Sastri summoned the teacher and in our presence told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of a social inequality and communal intolerance in the mind of innocent children. And the Lakshman Sastri summoned that teacher and scolded him very badly that it is a very bad habit to spread a communal indifferences or intolerance among the innocent children, because the child are innocent and they never think about the community spread, the community intolerance and the caste system and the class system. Then there is no right, or there is not a bit of correct to a teacher to spread the communal intolerance among the student. So he was scolded and also warned to fire from the class, fire from the school. He bluntly asked the teacher either apologies or quit the school, the island. That means he bluntly asked to the teacher that either he said that the to the teacher that you have just only two way, either you apologies from the students, otherwise quit right now the school, not even the school, leave the place right now. Not only did teacher regretted his behavior, but the strong sense of conviction Lakshmana Sastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young teacher. This lesson gives a new lesson to the teacher. That means इस बात ने उस टीचर को एक नया लेसन, एक सबक दिया. He didn't only regret of his behavior but also a deep sense of conviction is strong opinion or belief to the Lakshmana Sastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young man. That means by this action give a deep impression to the teacher, so the teacher not only change his way or the attitude towards the religions but also he got a reform within inside. वो अपने अंदर एक सुधार भी महसूस किया और जो उसके अंदर एक भावना थी जो कास्ट सिस्टम को लेकर, ये उसने क्या किया, छोड़ दिया. सो स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ आई विल explain after it. I think you got the complete sense, the meaning, and student, you have a mind, you should think about the things which is written in this chapter, that it is a stroke on the intolerance, it is a stroke on the orthodox attitude or the views, it is a stroke on the class discrimination. So student, we must learn something from this chapter and we just adopt the things, adopt the principle, adopt the lifestyle, adopt the thinking way of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So student, the next paragraph I will explain after it. Thank you.